So it does look like we have some faults. I don't know what these are going to be. All right, we're getting ready to scan this 2017 GMC Acadia. This vehicle has kind of come to us unintentionally. So I just want to run through this and see if there's anything that's kind of glaring. Any issues. Let's do auto scan. This should find the VIN number. You can't see this, but the unit itself plugged into the OBD2 port is flashing, which means it's communicating. And we have a beep. Download install package. Okie dokie. All right, so let's see how fast this downloads. You're just going to see the whole thing here, people. So basically what it's doing is just updating the app to the program that we need. Well, it appears that we are completed. Let's go back. Let's try auto scan again. All right, so there's our VIN, model, engine identifier. Let's hit OK. So let's do automatic scan. So it looks like we're about halfway through. So basically what I'm trying to do is see if there's anything that really needs a lot of attention, like right now, or if, everything seems to be okay. So it does look like we have some faults. I don't know what these are going to be, so let's pick one. So let's go to the power steering control module. Lost communication. Lost communication. I don't know that is anything to worry about. Control module, power circuit, low voltage. It's not running. It's just the key on. Maybe that's because the key is on and it's not running. We'll see. BCM, keyless entry transmitter, battery. So that might need a new battery. Yeah, I already know we have a tire pressure sensor issue. Left rear, low voltage. Right rear, pressure sensor, low voltage. Some of these may be historical because I've already replaced a couple of these tire pressure sensors. This is a family vehicle, and I have worked on this before. So it says it's a current. It says it's current, not historical. So I may have to dive into that. So inflatable restraint sensing a diagnostic module. Lost communication, that's historic. Okay, so that's a history code. All right, so I'm not worried about radio. The power steering works. Those are history codes. I can probably clear those out, see if they return. HVAC, history code, BCM. So keyless entry transmitter battery probably is going to need a battery. I'll get one of those. I'm getting ready to replace a cover anyway. And looks like mostly tire pressure sensors and maybe a driver's window switch. Not a big deal. And this Inflatable restraint sensing and diagnostic module. That is a history code, so I'll disregard that. So really all I have to worry about here, current codes, keyless entry battery, driver's window switch maybe one day, and I need to work on the tire pressure sensors. So those are easy. All right, looks pretty good. And there's nothing else here. All right, perfect. So that gives me some more insight on the vehicle using this tool. Again, this is the XTOOL AnyScan A30M. It's an OBD2 scanner kit. This will come with a carry case and a little extension cord to connect to your diagnostic port. These will do brake bleeding, throttle body relearns, injector coding, and a ton of other stuff. So, all right, so let's go to, let's clear. While we're here, let's go to clear all DTCs. And then what I'll do is I'll pick up a battery for this remote. I'm going to work on the tire pressure sensors in the probably next week. And we'll see if those return. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a very affordable and easy to use diagnostic scan tool, the XTOOL A30M, awesome choice.